Ethereum undervalued, yet to be the best investment in the year 2022. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto A1, where we will be showing you the latest tips and tricks in the financial space, as well as business and entrepreneurship. Bitcoin and crypto never sleep, and neither do we. If you own Ethereum and you're bullish on Ethereum, let us know in the comments below. I'm about to share with you something 99.99% of the world is unaware of. This video details Ethereum's value proposition and its bull case for 2022 and beyond. Of course, nothing on this channel should be construed as financial advice. Take this information and do your own research. Before we get going, be sure to like this video if you haven't already, as it really does help out the channel a lot. And subscribe with notifications on for more crypto-related videos like this one. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get started. First of all, I want to clarify this point because it is essential. Bitcoin continues to be drained from exchanges. Bitcoin continues to be purchased on a scale never seen before. There hasn't been a Bitcoin balance this low since 1,229 days ago, or 3 1/3 years ago. Bitcoin is being drained. It is a significant market mover, which is excellent for all cryptocurrencies. Let's move on to something you might not have thought about. Ethereum is also being drained from exchanges. A lot of people are buying Ethereum, with ETH prices surging. Outflows from exchanges from 2022 reached their peak. I suppose they're not really surging, but they're grinding up. Exchanges' large outflows signal that traders aren't looking to sell, which can be a bullish sign for Ethereum. Ethereum, worth more than $500 million, has been pulled from cryptocurrency exchanges this week, as traders hold on to their cryptos in anticipation of bullish price movements. Into the Block, a crypto market research company, provided this data, which noted that 180,000 ETH was withdrawn from exchanges on Tuesday. The firm tweeted that this figure represents the highest aggregated withdrawal of ETH since October. Within 10 days, the outflow of ETH preceded a 15% increase for the cryptocurrency. Ethereum continues to rise. It is breaking resistance and it is heading for higher highs. Ethereum appears to be gaining momentum toward a significant price move. At press time, Ethereum trades at $3,100 with a 3.4% and a 12.2% profit in the last 24 hours and last week, respectively. I would like to explain why many people are so bullish on Ethereum in 2022 and its value prop. This all began when Ethereum launched ETH 2.0 with its beacon chain in 2020. After that, we had EIP 1559 changing the tokenomics. After the merge takes place in June, Ethereum will fully become proof of stake. Ethereum will even become deflationary. Allow me to explain how this works. You need to understand where we've come from. Since EIP 1559 went live, Ethereum issuance has been reduced by about 70%. It's an incredible thing for tokenomics. It's excellent for supply to be taken off the market, especially when more demand exists. Since the launch of EIP 1559, that equates to about 2 million ETH burned. With just a few months to go, the merge will further reduce ETH issuance by 90%, and ETH will become deflationary. This is the point. I will explain why and how this will happen. There will never have been a more bullish catalyst for Ethereum. Remember what EIP 1559 did for ETH. Its implementation made ETH burn more rapidly as it was used. Watch what happens when ETH goes through the merge, when ETH becomes full proof of stake. Ethereum currently issues 5.4 million new ETHs per year. We see a drastic reduction to just 0.5 million when we simulate the merger. In a nutshell, here's what Ethereum's merge means. Number 1. 90% reduction in ETH dollar issuance. Number 2. 99.9% reduction in network operating costs. Number 3. a 50% to 100% increase in staking yield. Number 4. Significantly reduced execution risk. According to one ETH bull's view, Bitcoin's halvings will seem like a fart in the wind. This is a big deal for Ethereum's price appreciation. There are only a couple of months left before Ethereum undergoes a triple halving and becomes deflationary. Meanwhile, those who stake ETH will earn 10 to 15% back, and ETH stake won't be unlocked for about 6 months after the merge. Ethereum's growth in 2022 may be the largest in the 20s. Recognize the significance of Ethereum possibly becoming deflationary. Look at the recent inflation numbers. Everything around us is becoming more and more inflationary. But Ethereum will soon become deflationary. 99% of the world doesn't know that this will happen in 3 months for Ethereum. So, what does this actually mean? We'll look at ETH's history, from its beginning to where it stands today, and project forward. ETH's first few years didn't have a great supply coming onto the market, and the tokenomics were very inconsistent. Cut to the launch of the Beacon chain in 2020, the beginning of ETH 2.0. In 2021, the EIP 1559 changed tokenomics forever. When Ethereum implemented EIP 1559, you can clearly see what impact this had on the issuance of ETH onto the market. And finally, coming up in less than a few months, Ethereum switches to proof of stake. This is what we mean when Ethereum entirely becomes proof of stake, and the issuance of ETH becomes deflationary. As more people choose to use Ethereum, it is more likely to appreciate it at a price. Only one question remains. Do you think people will continue to use Ether in increasing ways in the future? These are the DeFi users from last year. Here are the countries by population size. Ethereum's growth is evident. So what about the scaling issue? You see, 2022 and 2023 will be the years for ETH Layer 2 solutions. There's stuff like Starknet to look forward to. Probably not much has been said about it. Starknet will be able to increase Ethereum's scalability, not to mention Ether's other L2 solutions. There is Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and there are sidechains too. ETH L2 has a lot going on. Are we even still in a bull market? What if prices continue to decline? Obviously, nobody knows what will happen in the future, but I like this perspective from ETH bull Anthony Sassel. The path to new bull markets is always paved by Ethereum. ICOs in 2017 brought tons of people in. DeFi Summer Beacon Chain launched in 2020 brought tons of people in. NFTs EIP 1559 in 2021 brought tons of people in. Now, in 2022, the merger and Layer 2s possibly bringing tons of people in. I would love to hear what you think about this in the comments below. Has this merger been priced in for Ethereum? Is Ethereum undervalued at the moment? I do not believe that Ethereum Merger has been priced in. It will make ETH one of the few liquid assets with positive real yields. How about the other L1s? How about the ETH competitors? L1 networks with the highest aggregate demands for transactions will have the most scarce tokens. Very few people are aware of this. Ethereum is practically unmatched. Ethereum will be scarce. Not to mention the incredible press Ethereum consistently gets. You've probably seen the price of crypto. Vitalik and Ethereum have been featured in Time magazine. This is a continuation of what we have seen for the past few years. It is great to see. Life is full of good things. Yet, in the world of crypto, anything is possible. There is no way to predict the future. We're all just trying our best. And if you'd like to join us on this journey, subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up if it added value to your life. We'll be regularly posting finance videos to help you grow abundantly, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.